Gottlob Frege and the Basics of Arithmetic. Frege's history. Friedrich Ludwig Gottlob Frege was born in Germany in 1948 in a southern port city. He went by the latter half of his name, Gottlob Frege, mostly, and spending a life in his father's footsteps, he pursued various academic pursuits, becoming an associate professor at age 31 and a full professor at only 48 years old. He felt that his self-professed vital and very important work was overlooked by his peers. Feeling overlooked in his academics also led to him feeling bitter about World War I. In his contemporary life, he felt his home Germany was crippled by the Treaty of Versailles, which was the end of World War I. Frege versus Kant. A previous Enlightenment thinker, Immanuel Kant, theorized that arithmetic is synthetic. Frege sought out to rid the ambiguity that surrounded the language of arithmetic and make it more clear and simple to understand. He also disagreed that arithmetic is synthetic, and in doing so, he made his own basic laws of arithmetic, leading to the idea of the term context principle. The basic fundamentals are: previously, numbers were thought of as independent, and with Frege's context principle, one shouldn't be looking for independence, but instead for the context to which the number is being applied. For example, we can look at a simple word problem that elaborates upon this idea. This example is asking to solve for the ages of a father and son, only knowing their cumulative age and the actual age difference between the two. For example, Devon is 26 years older than his son Cooper. The sum of their ages is 50. Find their ages. If Devon is X and Cooper is Y, one would then have X, Devon's age, plus Y, Cooper's age, equals 50. And also the equation X, Devon's age, plus Y, Cooper's age, or X, Devon's age equals Y, Cooper's age, plus 26 years older. Then with the substitution method, you can substitute for the X value in the first equation and get Y plus 26 plus Y equals 50, or to condense that and simplify, 2Y plus 26 equals 50. By solving, you would get 12, so Cooper is 12 years old. By substituting again to solve for X, one gets X equals 38. Therefore, Devon is 38 years old. So then Devon's 38 and his son Cooper is 12. Statements about numbers, then, like in this example, are statements about concepts. Here, the concepts is their ages. That is a number dependent upon their ages, not independent out of the context. Here are some sources that I used to prepare my essay and this presentation, and I bid you adieu.